got this self-etching primer. Check this out. George isn't even here to yell at me. Hey.
Oh, but I am.
Harley!
What are you doing?
I'm showing the camera my skills.
Okay, can you do these two spots?
Nothing?
Yeah.
Can
Well, I
you do?
gotta turn the tailgate so I can get that.
Come over here and do it.
Okay. I'm not long enough.
Yes, you are.
Can I stand on this?
No.
I can't get it.
Okay, hold this one.
Can you move the tailgate?
No, let me show you.
I can't reach. I'm not tall enough. Okay, I did a pretty good job though, right? Say yes.
Yeah.
Say it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm outside the garage. That's inside the garage. I don't really think I should go in because I don't have one of them things. But I just got here. See how it goes. Watch the hood behind you.
Oh, yeah, Dad, I think some people will call you bodyguard. Come on over here, Peyton.
What'd you do, Beef?
Come over here and see what I'm doing. See?
Dad said don't forget battery picture.
Yep, I got that.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got the old Mongo man out here in Mongo's garage, and yeah, we got some stuff done. You saw there on the video, we got Laney all in color here. Whew, I'm still hurting from it, but you know, it's a good hurt because we really got something accomplished here. This is by far definitely the best paint job I've put down on a car yet, or truck. As KJ said in the video there, some people may think I'm a body guy now. I'm definitely no body guy. This stuff takes time, and with attention to detail and prep, you too can get a paint job that looks like this. So tonight, the boys got back in here. Actually, I say the boys, Harley definitely was a big help from what I understand. I wasn't actually here for it, but KJ, Harley, and George all got the bed put back on it.
So I didn't get any video putting it on because I was helping. But this is what she looks like with the bed on. That's what I'm doing right now. She looks really good. There's the color in the sun. What are you thinking, George?
That's amazing.
I was at Baccalaureate for Julianne. She's graduating from Bethany College tomorrow. So we had that to do, but they were definitely busy. And as you can see, everything matches pretty nicely. I'm very happy about that. I've got the decals sitting in the bed. I don't know if you can see them there or not, but that's the next part that I'm going to end up doing probably, is getting them decals stuck on there. Make sure everything looks good and where it belongs. But so let's real quick go over the process of how we got here, right? So the whole truck, we DA'd down to 220. And after the 220 was done, George went over everything and feathered it all out. I came back and made sure that everything was kosher, which he did a really good job for first time sanding. I just had a couple areas that I had to work out. After the 220 was done, we were able to start some body work. Remember, there was some patches put in down here. There was a big dent here. The bottom of this door had some work in it. There was a big dent right here in this brand new fender. This was folded down. And then on both fenders, this whole front corner here was pushed all the way over. So as you can see, we got all that stuff worked out and looking really good. The big portion of the bodywork, of course, was these fenders. Over top of the rear wheel, we put new arches in and inner arches. Down here on the rear dog leg, these are new patches as well. We reworked the interior and exterior of that. Same thing on this side. This is a patch here. This wheel well is all brand new. There is a patch across the bottom. This door has some work in it right there. There was a big dent right here. This one was also pushed down here. And what we got going on right now is that's going to live there. There was a big dent right here. That was folded over again, just like the other side. And as you can see, blocking is the answer. If you guys go back, you can see that fail video I was talking about, and that was right here. This whole, it was tin cannon on me. It was doing. But she looks good now. Every job is not without an imperfection. As you can see right here, that's actually where a little bit of white had bled through the masking, and I came and just tapped it with a wee little bit of lacquer thinner, and that's what it did. There's also a pretty big run hung in this fender. Luckily it's in the clear coat and it'll sand right out. So I want you guys to look around here as I'm talking to you. Check this garage out. It is a pigsty. I painted this truck yesterday in this garage, just like it is. Is there some junk in the paint? Absolutely, 100%. You know why? Look at the garage, right? It's a mess in here, but it's not as bad as you think it would be. With a little bit of wet sanding and some buffing, this thing will be show quality, I think. It all laid down flat and nice. Like I said, we get after this thing with some fine grit wet paper and hit it with the buffer. This thing would be absolutely perfect. And there's the hood. The hood, of course, is where all the garbage shows up, but you can't really see it in the photos or the video, but there is some garbage in that hood. Tailgate. The tailgate also received a heck of a run across the top here. I attribute that to where it was actually at whenever I was painting it. But I do believe George is planning on putting the diamond plate caps on all that stuff. Bed tops will get diamond plate caps too, which is a shame because we did do quite a bit of work to get those really looking nice. They're not absolutely perfect. I could have went back and did a little bit more work on them, but they're pretty straight. All right, so I'm gonna get in the house. We got an early morning tomorrow. We gotta go get some food for Julianne. I wanted to finish this video up so that we could get it edited and ready to go, because Sunday is Mother's Day, and I'm going to devote all day to my wife, who is the mother of my children, and of course my mother, who has made me do stuff like this. Well, she didn't make me, but her and Dad have definitely raised me to the point where I understand the value of good hard work and what you can get out of it. So thanks, Mom, for all that you've ever done for me. Thank you to all the mothers out there that have allowed us guys to do stuff like this and have supported us along the way. We greatly appreciate it, and we love you very much. All right, one quick note before I get out of here. I know this is the very end of the video. I also want to thank George and Kenny, because without their perseverance and hard work on this, it would definitely not look anything like it does right now. This is George's first time with anything bodywork or auto body, and he actually did a really good job. Still green. He maybe went too far at times, and maybe sometimes he didn't go far enough. But he's in here. He was doing the work, and I greatly appreciate that. KJ, he's come a long way. His body work is getting much better, and shortly, hopefully, he's starting to understand how to block things out and get the body work where it belongs. So that all worked out as well. And then, of course, we can't forget Harley. She's also been in here helping us out, trying to get things done, and we greatly appreciate it all. All right, that's it. The old Mongo man is out. I just wanted you guys to know that it really takes a lot of help and a lot of work to get these things done. The truck's been in here, I think, for about 5 months now, and yeah, it's a bit long, but I think the results really show, what we've been doing and why it's taken so long. All right, this time I'm gone, so we'll talk to you later. Mongo's out.
And we saw the northern lights once in the Bitterroot Mountains of Montana. They're like flames from some prehistoric campfire, leaping and dancing in the sky and changing colors. Red to gold, blue and violet. Aurora Borealis. It's like the equinox, the changing seasons, summer to fall, young to old, then to now, and then tomorrow. And then everyone was asleep except me. And as I saw the morning star come up over the mountains, I realized that life is just a collection of memories. And memories are like starlight. They go on forever.